Hey guys, welcome to another video. I can't do videos over 15 minutes. Don't know what just happened there. Hate this. What? Okay. It's not nice. Right guys, don't know what happened right there. Probably too fast. So I built Edward, but I can't post videos over 15 minutes because I haven't got a verification code on the channel. So I'm gonna build tank engines for now. So I'm building Percy. So what you want to get is dark prismarine slabs, lime concrete, red concrete, and black concrete. Wait, no. Yeah, black concrete. That's for now. So shift. Alright. Alright. And just go like that. And then that's, basically this. Alright, gotta be quick for this build because I don't want to go longer than 15 minutes. Alright, one block away. Wait, no. Make that 2 blocks away. Space the wheels 2. Alright, once you got that done, stone slabs like Edward and Thomas, just place them. There we go. Alright. Well, for the back ones, was it? Just delete those. Put I put it at a very odd angle. Just make sure it's at an angle or it's like on a full block. Yeah, like that could happen. So once you got that, yeah, like that. Oh right, place it like that. My mistake. Oh, did it wrong. Nah. Just let me figure things out. So place one up more, then place two like that. Then you gotta figure things out from there. You're on your own, folks. Nah, you're not. Of course you're not. Gee, I hate her. Right, place one more. Alright. Make sure like they're the same length. Then go ahead and put concrete. One concrete. Yeah. No. Right. Okay, so those are Percy cylinders. Right, so that's his wheels. Now, right. Okay, that'll go for later. So, right. Now get Mr. Lever and his friend the piston. But first, get Mr. Red. Concrete. Right. Alright, so cylinders, they're the same length. Right. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, wait, right. So, right. I think, yeah. I mean, okay. 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, so 5 blocks. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, also that shouldn't be there. So, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 blocks. Alright, gonna go 1 block out. Then break 1, break 2. Piston. Yeah. Right, so just build along. Oh yeah, now it does make sense. Just Percy's a bit different build up. I haven't done cylinders before yet. Like with Percy and all. So I'm kind of still in experimental mode. Now build 1 block as well out. And then place pistons in their place. But not a 3rd one. Alright. So now you've got Percy's chassis already. Now you just build. Alright. I'm putting where's no RWS? I don't know. Yeah, also you don't just put a sea lantern for the lamp. You don't have to do that. You just Right, there's different colors. So Thomas was a local, I guess. This is light engine, which means the engine is single. So we're gonna give Percy light engine. Right. Wait. So, save that for later. Get rid of pistons. And, put that in the inventory. Right. Next. Smooth quartz. Smooth quartz stairs. Hang on. That's better. Oh. Suppose there's nothing much I can do about that. Right. So, make a cross. The brick stairs. Alright, I'm also gonna have to figure this out. 2 blocks up. Yeah, 2 blocks. Seems 2 blocks is really irregular now. Right, so build like normal, but then go one out. So the saddle tank is wider than Percy's smoke box. Like in the show. And you just... Not 2 for now. Because I don't plan these things ahead. It's very much just do and do. It's just go with the flow. Just go with the flow. And don't question anything. You just figure it out as you go along. Might as well just add the bunker so I can see. Right. Alright. So basically around the middle you're gonna wanna like one. Give me a sec. Like that. Alright. Hang on. So then you wanna add blocks underneath that. That. So then you got his saddle all done. Oh, come on! That's 15 minutes. Right. Practically done, Percy. Bridge slab. Domed. Whistle. Outside. Right up the fence and then sign, warp sign. Six. Wait, no, don't do that. Yellow concrete. Indicate. Yeah, people should know. I kind of don't know them now. Shovel, standards like that. Get rid of that. Like that. Alright. Lever. For regulator. Then you're done. Percy is all done. That's the tutorial. Bye guys.